Hi guys, I'm Annie here with Ourisman Ford Manassas, and this is my customer Aaron.
Hi, I'm Aaron Wall, and I'm here from Raleigh, North Carolina.
Aaron, why are you here from Raleigh today?
I'm here to pick up my brand new 2022 Ford Mustang.
All right, and how long did it take for you to get the factory order done?
About 4 weeks.
4 weeks, and that's not a usual average. Usually it takes much longer than that.
Yeah, and I couldn't be more pleased.
Awesome. Well, I'm really glad that you were able to experience that. Now, how long was your drive up here?
Only about 4 hours.
Okay, so we're pretty close to home then and got you here really quickly.
Most definitely.
Awesome. Is there anything else you'd like to go over as far as your experience?
As I was telling Jason earlier, I shopped the Raleigh market, both in person and online, and I know that I couldn't have gotten a better deal, and I know for a fact I couldn't have gotten the customer service experience that I got with Annie, Jason, and Ourisman Ford.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Aaron. But don't just take his word for it. Come on down and see me or Jason, and we're more than happy to help you not only with your order, but any of your new vehicle purchases.